can actually see the ripples. You can see it moving. Oh, it's coming for us. The frosted trees are beautiful too.
I don't know, it's pretty tacky.
You think it's trying to communicate with us?
Well, it's not telling us it's thirsty. There it is.
I think you'd make a much tastier snack than I would.